Hey everybody, I'm Random Frank P. Welcome to part 2 of the room tour project. You know, the series where we show off the best gaming setups, room tours, and battle stations. Put them in a giant video collaboration for you guys to give you guys some good ideas and to show off some really cool setups that deserve the recognition. First one went pretty well, got some really cool stuff in there. We even got some better stuff this time. So if we keep getting the support, we're going to keep doing these. But part 2, we're going to get it going. Let's kick it off right now.
Alright, so starting this off, we have a crazy cool setup from Mr. Free to Be Me 1. As you can see, crazy looking TVs everywhere you look with the consoles. Definitely one of the most unique setups I've ever seen in my life. He's even got 3, these are, I believe he said 3D TVs as well. Smart TVs. He's got the Xbox One hooked up to one of the TVs with a white decal on it, and as you can see over there on the TV mounted on the wall, he has another Xbox One. So a very unique setup. He's just got it all here. Consoles again, we got a PS3 with a nice money green decal on it. As you can see, he likes the green decals and the color green, primarily in his setup. Had an Afterglow headset, a PlayStation Vita, I believe that is, maybe just a regular one of the old portables, again with that money green decal. Again, now the PS4, so he's got all the consoles, everything you can think of, and all connected to all these crazy cool TVs in the room. I really needed to include this just because I've never seen an entertainment gaming room like this with this many TVs, this many consoles, and just all the cool stuff. He's got the Surface tablet right there chilling, just so you guys, look up stuff, whatever, play games on there. And he's not leaving on Nintendo. He's got the whole Nintendo wall over here. Got the Wii U in the case, some decals on the wall, and some toys to show off his own Nintendo wall. So really cool stuff. I definitely wanted to show this off because it's just extremely unique. TVs everywhere, computers everywhere. Definitely one of the coolest setups I've seen in a long time. So shout out to Mr. Free, Mr. Free to Be Me 1. You are going to headline this episode and really just setting the bar for gaming rooms, because those TVs are, I would say, at least 55 inches with the backlighting and all of them, the backlighting in the room, the green LEDs, just setting the standard for an awesome gaming room. Next up is a gaming setup from Mexican Man John on YouTube. Saw this video and contacted him right away because he had some really cool stuff going on. I'm a big fan of the triple monitors, so right away I wanted to include him in here because he has a really cool gaming room. Needed to show it off for you guys. Alright, so as you can see, this is his PC gaming, his little battle station over here. Kicking it off, you have to have a comfy gaming chair. Looks really nice, a lot of support, got the lumbar support there, so not going to worry about being cramped up when you're having your long gaming sessions. As you can see here, we have the iFinity setup, all 3 monitors connected. I don't have the names of those monitors offhand, but we'll show you more of those in a little bit. Really cool stuff coming up with that. And now we'll get into his gaming peripherals. So as you can see, that blue keyboard, this is the Razer Black Widow Chroma Edition keyboard with the blue effect right now, adding to his whole aesthetic setup. And the Logitech G502 Proteus Core mouse, an awesome gaming mouse. It's the one that I use daily, so definitely good recommendation for it. Good to see him using it. And as for his PC, don't have the specs offhand, he didn't provide those for me, but I can imagine that thing is going to be loaded inside if it can run those games with the iFinity setup, and we'll show you some of that right now. Here he is playing some, I believe this is Borderlands Battlefield, showing it all off with the 3 monitors and what you can do with it, how it can handle it. And personally I only use 2 monitors, but seeing this stuff, how it works with gaming, really makes me want to pick up an extra monitor to run that triple monitor setup with these games. It just looks so cool, really immerses you and just brings gaming to a whole new level, especially for racing games. Like, you can't tell me that does not look cool. Here we have the limited edition Audio-Technica M50s in that nice silver. I actually have the M50X in white, so another great recommendation. This is the Razer Kraken headset in the neon blue. Again, the blue going with this whole setup, the nice blue look to everything, and also a nice setup with a wireless Razer mouse in the background charging, but overall an awesome setup. Next up is an extremely clean setup from Sarah Prop, I believe is how you say it. He got some great shots for us, so we're going to show it off for you guys right now. Above his dual monitor setup is a nice iJobs poster. Big shout out to Steve Jobs. And highlighted by two AOC monitors, two monitors that are really highly rated for being virtually borderless, so great for the dual monitor, even triple monitor setup. Getting into the peripherals now, he is rocking a Logitech mouse, and that mouse is one of their most highest rated, I think they're mice on Amazon, I believe. I remember seeing that, like that dented steel look. I have never used it, but I'll take his word for it if he's using it. He's got some cool stuff as well, so we gotta take his word. Next up is a CM Storm keyboard, white and black keyboard from Cooler Master with the white LED lights. Looks really nice and clean. And again, a very popular pair of headphones is the black Audio-Technica M50X. This is the newer edition in an all black look. Really nice, great sounding headphones. Showing off his phone or tablet, not really sure which one it is. I guess it's a very small tablet because, yes, it's a tablet. My apologies, because he's rocking the iPhone 6. Very nice. Something that I think is really cool is he has his own arcade classics in his room or his gaming setup, and you know, this is something really unique. You don't see this all too often in people who have gaming setups. You know, usually it's just strictly like PC gaming or console gaming, but having a throwback to the arcade classics is really, really cool here. As you can see, playing that Donkey Kong. And just definitely need to show this off, because one of the more unique things we've seen in the setup, you don't really have that retro throwback anymore. So all in all, shout out for a very nice and clean setup. Next up is what he dubs his 4K Elite Dangerous setup with the Psyche 4K TVs. We have the Sciatek X52 professional joystick. And here you have the throttle that goes along with it. And this little button is for his trigger, you know, when he's playing Elite Dangerous. Again, the Logitech G502 ProteusCore gaming mouse, one of the best out there. A Logitech K750 solar panel keyboard. The 2013 Moto X smartphone. An Oxy LED smart light. And you have his bamboo drawing tablet. So lots of cool stuff here, keeping it fresh with a really nice looking setup, all 4K. Like I said, it's a Psyche 4K TV, really cool. Getting towards the end now from Submersid, another extremely nice and clean looking setup here. Rocking the dual monitors with the gaming PC down below, got the speakers on each side, the Sennheiser HD598, really top of the line, great headphones. Just all in all, very professional looking. I love clean setups like this, especially with the LED backlighting. Makes everything look really nice, ties it all together. So I'm digging what you're doing here, man. Gotta keep these clean setups going. And our last battle station and gaming setup of the day comes from It's Frank TV over on YouTube. The triple monitor setup with the Blue Yeti mic, you know, for doing voiceovers, possibly streaming. A great mic for all that stuff. Behind his monitors, he has the Xbox One with the Kinect enabled, so not only PC gaming, but he can console game as well on his Acer monitors that he has set up right in front of him. Then hanging there on his monitor is a pair of Astro A40 headphones, or sorry, it's an actual headset from Astro. Everyone knows Astro is a big gaming headphone company. I keep saying headphones, you know I mean headset. Of course, you have the mix amp there, which pretty much powers the entire thing with the 2013 Razer Black Widow keyboard, not the Chroma. And here we have his custom PC. Not really sure of the specs, but pretty cool stuff, guys. Wanted to show off his PC for you all and the entire setup of his room.
Alright everybody, it's going to do it for part 2 of the room tour project. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to submit your own setup for review to possibly be in a future episode, hit me up on Twitter at RandomFrankP. I'll definitely look at it and I'll get back to you right away. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up to show your support so we can continue to do these and bring the best videos for you guys. Last time in the first room tour project, I said let's try to hit around 500. We did right away. This time, let's try to get 1,000 thumbs up. Alright guys, that'd be really cool. And speaking of 1,000, I have around 720 followers on Twitter. Let's try to get that up to 1,000 as well. So you can follow me on Twitter at RandomFrankP. The goal is 1,000 followers. I'll do something pretty special for the 1,000th follower on there as well. And that's where I do a bunch of channel updates and all that good stuff on there. So if you want to follow me, RandomFrankP is where it's at. And lastly, please hit subscribe if you like what I'm doing here. We got a bunch of cool stuff coming in the future. I'm always doing tech reviews, so if you like the format, we'll keep it going for you guys. Alright everybody, like I said, I'm RandomFrankP. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.